Hold me deep inhale. 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 Join the arm. Rub the palm. Generate the heat. Massage your eyes, forehead, face, ear, throat, neck. Place the palm in front of eyes. Open the eyes, watch your palm. Everyone, namaste. Okay, everyone, stand up. With the palm as my shoulder, hold the rest. Hold your knee, sit down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, center. Exhale, right hand. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Center. Exhale, right. Center. Exhale, left. Center. Place the fingertips to the shoulder. Start the shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, anti-clockwise, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up all the way, up, okay. One last breath, extending the tailbone, stretch from the body. Exhale, drop the heel, bring your hands back, interlace your finger, and all the way bend forward. Inhale, hands up. Interlace your finger, lift your heel higher, stretch your complete body from your toes to your palm. Exhale, bring your hands back, interlace your finger, and all the way bend forward. Inhale, raise your hands up, interlace your finger, lift your heel higher, stretch your body. Forward. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Lift your higher, straight here. 1. Take your tailbone, stretch your complete body from your legs to your palm. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale, drop the heel, bring your hands back. Into the finger, all the way back forward. Keep rolling, front, back, stop. 1. Relax shoulders, let your hands move down and head your knee. 2. Keep rolling, front, back. Keep exhaling. 3, 4. Keep exhaling. 5. Open shoulders. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale up, exhale release. Raise your hands up to the ceiling. Squat. Exhale, bend your right side, all the way bend side. Suck your belly in, suck in your belly, and look front. Inhale, center. Exhale, suck in your belly. Inhale, center. Inhale, center. Exhale, suck your belly, belly left. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend your right, beat up here with your foot. Don't move it, keep it squat. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Exhale, inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Stay here. 1, breathe normal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, engage your core. 7, 8, breathe normal, lower the body. 9, 10. Inhale, center. Exhale. Check in, take your core, bend the left side. All the way. 1. In front. 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, center. Exhale, relax your hands. Straighten hand forward. Inhale. Exhale, just the right side. Inhale, center. Make sure your feet is free. Don't move the feet. Your knee must be locked. Don't bend the knee on the upper body. Exhale, just your right side. Inhale, hands forward. Exhale, just your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, just your right. Inhale, center. Exhale to right. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. 1 more. Inhale, center. Exhale to your right. Stay here. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Exhale, relax your hands. Exhale, arch your back, push your knee forward, lift your chest up, bring your head down and look back. Push your knee forward. Tighten the core, tighten your glutes, tighten your lower back. Inhale, slowly center. Exhale, hold the ankle, bend forward all the way. Hold the legs all the way bend forward. Hold shoulder, push your knee forward, tighten the glutes, tighten the core, elbow can bend outward. Inhale, come up, support your back, roll your shoulder, exhale, arch your back. Arch from neck, mid back, lower back. Push your knee forward. Slowly, inhale, center, exhale, bend forward, hold the ankle. Support your back, exhale, roll your shoulder, arch your back. Inhale, center. Exhale, arch your back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bring head inside, arch your upper back. Hold 1. As you can hold on, you control your leg and core. 2. You can micro bend the knee to bring your body low. 3, 4. Breathing long. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow inhale, center. Exhale. Bend forward, hold the legs and pull your belly inside. Body weight on the toes and bend your elbow, belly inside, suck in it. And just 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release your hands. Raise your hands up. Arch the back. Interlock. You can interlock finger and arch back. Exhale, twist to the right. Press down, hit all the wrist and try to raise your hands. Place your left tricep outside of the right and push your knee. Lift the chest up. One hand up, one hand forward. Don't press it up. One hand up, one elbow back. Push with the elbow and chest up. Lift your chest up to the ceiling. Chest facing up to the ceiling. Maximum. Inhale, raise your hands up and arch. Pull your more back. Then exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Place your left armpit outside of your right knee and try to push with the elbow. Push with the elbow. One hand up and take out the chest, pushing higher. Lift your chest, right. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale. left, squeeze the butt. Exhale, arch the back. Last one. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go lower, rise again. 6, 7, come check, go lower. 8, hands lower, hands lower. 9, inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Other side. Right side. Right. Left. Push the right, the left elbow. Push, left elbow, twist, take out the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finger on finger, squeeze the butt. Exhale, pass the back all the way. Go all the way back. Take the glutes, stand lower back and go. Bring the hands back, pass back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend the knee and twist your left side. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale up. Exhale. Open your shoulder and bring your hands forward. Last two. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend your knee and bend forward. Roll your shoulder. Last one. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend your knee and fold forward. Inhale, center. Exhale, roll the shoulder back. And if you can this time, if not, just keep it low. Roll the shoulder, release the low, and try to pull the more low, elbow inside, don't go forward. Elbow is fine. 2, try, yes. 3, try. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slowly stand there. Inhale, exhale, breathe and bend forward. Stay. Bend forward all the way. 1. Bend the knee, fold the knee, lower the body. Hips down, hips down. Try to bring the head down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold the feet. Place back. Bend the knee and bring the head down. Try to touch the forehead or head to the mat. But keep high must be parallel. Don't go parallel. High parallel to the mat. Close. This is 1. Good. 2. 8. Keep the elbow like this and slowly lengthen the legs. Stay there. All the way straight your legs and keep elbow bend. Hold. 1, 2. 8. Pull your hand inside. Elbow fold outside. Elbow outside. Good. 9. Pull more back from lower back. Chair. Inhale. Come up. Raise. Release your hands. Stand in the front of mat. Raise your arm up. Keep your legs together. Legs together. Back. Place your right hand to the left hamstring. Hamstring is back. Hamstring. Yeah. This is hamstring. Inhale, on this one. Exhale, arch back. Lower the hands and look up. 1. Then walk your fingers down. 2, Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. 3 more. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Exhale, down. Same. Push your chest facing up and lift your face all the way up. 1. Breathing continue. Focus your shoulder and back. Allow the brain to relax muscles to open more. 2. 3. Inhale, exhale, continue. 4. 5. Strong arm, strong elbow. 4. Keep exhale, rolling and try to bring the forehead lower to the mat. 4. 5. You can touch that. 6. Keep moving. 7. Keep exhale. 8. 9. 10. Take the one knee pad under your left knee. Keep moving. Table. So 4 leg of the table must be on. So inhale, raise your right leg up. Bend the knee and look up to the ceiling. Bring the toe toward the head. Maximum. Arm must be under shoulder. Inhale, raise your leg up first. Look front. Bend the knee and try to twist your leg to the left side. Toward your left shoulder. Close to the left shoulder. Good. Twist forward. Feel your toes is going to touch your shoulder. Exhale. Touch your left elbow. From inside. Inhale up. Arch your back. Bring the toe. Arch back. Bring the toe to the head. Bring the toe to the head. And bring the toe to the outside of your left shoulder. Twist. Left shoulder. Exhale. Touch your head. Raise your leg. Bring the toe to the head. Arch the back. Exhale. Touch your nose. Inhale, up, bring to the left shoulder. Try to feel your toes touch. Inhale, arch your back, bring the toe to the head. Look front, bring the toe to the head. Off your left hand and hold the leg. Raise your left hand, hold the right leg with left hand and pull your leg up. You can hold from outside inside up to you. So lift your leg higher. 1, pull your leg. You can left more. 4, pull up. 5, pull up, lift up. 10. Exhale, hand down, touch your knee to the nose. Touch your knees to the nose, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, raise your right leg toe. Left leg. So tuck in the left toe. Left side. This is the left side. Raise the right leg and bring the right hand back and hold the right ankle with the right hand. And pull your leg outside. Yes. Pull it. Release maximum. Lengthen up. Pull. You can hold from inside, outside, feet, ankle up to you. Try. Pull. Yes, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place the hand down and touch your right knee to the left elbow. Stay there. 1, very good. 2, then look sideways. Then on the pull, back, straight. 6, straight knee. 7, straight elbow. 7, 8, pull 1, 9, 10. Okay, palm on the floor and bend your namaskar. Chest chin. Very good. So lean forward more. You feel. Move forward. Your palm must be next to your lower chest. Palm can be lower chest, next to your chest. Chin move forward. Hands up, lean forward. Move forward. Inhale, hold here. Raise right leg up. Pull, straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold here. Bend your right knee. Off your left hand and hold the right knee with left hand. Left arm. Can you straight your right? Can you straight your left? Straight your right hand. Can you straight your right hand on the floor? Outside. Can you straight first? Chin down, chest down. Straight your both hands. No, belly not down. Belly up. Ashtanga salute. Open the hands wide, everyone. See? Open the hands. Raise your right leg. Keep right leg up. Right leg up. Right leg up. Yeah. So everyone. 2. Then in. Jab. Forward. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop the palm on the floor and drop the knee. Don't drop the belly. Belly don't drop. Keep it anchoring salute. 8. Chin. Palm on the shoulder. Don't lift your hands first. Only legs up. Only left leg up. Palm beside your chest. Left leg up all the way. Only leg. 2. Left leg up. 3. Palm beside your chest. 5. Leg higher. Lift up. Don't bend the knee. 6. Left leg up all the way. 7. 8. Palm beside your chest. Interlock behind the back. Interlock. Stay there. 1. Chest up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, arch your back. Cobra pose. Cobra. So your front knee is perpendicular. Your knee and ankle must be 90 degrees. Upper back elbow pose. Inhale. Lift your head up. Chest up. Exhale. Arch your back. And hold there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Exhale, half spinning, back forward. Half spin. So make sure left knee and hip is one line, 90 degrees. 2, 3, 4. Can move the hands forward, elbow straight. 5, elbow straight all the way. 6, stretch your hamstring, stretch it back. 9, inhale, bend your knee, raise your hands up to the ceiling. Interlace your finger. Flip your palm. Flip it. Inhale, bring the shoulder back. Exhale, tighten the glutes and lower back and arch back. All the way. Bring the hands back. Keep your palm aligned with your eyes. Lower. 2, 3. Hands go back. Focus on the shoulder more. And open upper back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And walk forward. 1, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, hands up, bend your knee. All the way, both hands up. Raise your hands. Exhale, interlace your finger behind the back. Behind that, back. Roll the shoulder. Lift your chest up, open the one finger. Anytime you reach the finger on the mat. If you can reach one finger, hold the knuckle. Anytime you touch the whole knuckle on the mat. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep exhaling. 1. Touch the finger almost. Touch one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't move the hands. Hands back. Hands back. Interlace. Interlace your finger. Interlock your finger behind the back. 4, 5. Concentrate to balance yourself. 6. Focus. 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 8. Relax your mind and focus. 9. Make sure you leave the perpendicular. So reach down all the way. Axial. Place your left hand to the left leg. Left hand to left leg. Raise your right hand and twist your body all the way to right side and chest all. Don't lean left side. 1. So twist the 4. Balance. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inner center. Axial bend half split. Straight your front leg. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Inhale, raise your hands up. Both hands up to the ceiling. So square the shoulder and chest facing up. Don't lean one side. 1. Then reach your hand over. You touch the ankle or touch the knee or touch the toe. 1. Where your body allows you, just go down. 5, 6, 7. Leg bend forward. Straight your front leg and down. Hold. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, bend your knee, raise your hands up. Raise your hands up. Now this time cross your left elbow to the right knee. Left elbow to right knee. Cross and push your knee and lift your chest up maximum. If you can, bring your left leg inside between your legs and bind your wrist or bind your finger. From inside, if you can. If not, just join the palm. 1, 2, 3. If you get the balance, you can off your back leg. 4. If you can't, just drop the knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, place your hand on the floor. Exhale, bring your leg back, downward facing dog. Push your hip up. Straight your legs. Keep rolling. 5. Rolling the shoulder. Head front leg. Open shoulder. Keep exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale. Drop the knee. Chest empty on the mat. 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, higher, left hand higher, 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 Lift your legs up. Hold there. Bring it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down the dog. Stay there. 1. Just simple down the dog. 1. Push your hip up. Lengthen the spine. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Raise your left foot between the hands. Take the knee pad. Drop the right knee. Lower the front heel. Make sure the left knee and enter perpendicular. Not so much forward and not so much inward. Lower the hips. Inhale, roll your shoulder, elbow closer. Exhale. Lift your head. Lift your chest up. Lift your belly up. And tighten the glutes. Arch your lower back. 1. Look back all the way. 2, 3, 4. Focus to complete back. 5. Focus to open and complete back. 6. Open your thoracic. 7. Open your lungs. 8. Expand more. 9. Stay there. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, raise your hands up. Interlace your finger. Flip your palm to the ceiling. Inhale, lift your belly up. Lower the hand, tighten your glutes and arch the lower back. 1. Look up or look back. 2. Flip your palm. 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, center, exhale, half split. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, raise your hands up. Interlace your finger behind the back. Finger. Exhale. Lift your chest. Lower the fingers. If you can touch, then up the touch. Or ready. 1, 2, 3. Keep it. Almost. 5, 6, 7. Next place. Allow me to press also. 9. All the way. 2. Hand just behind the back. Interlock you. 3. Interlock you. 8. Awesome. 9. Inhale, raise your hands up. Bend the left knee. Both hands up. Exhale. Place onto the left side. All the way your chest facing up to the ceiling. Shoulder must be square. 2. Chest facing up to the ceiling. 3. Lower the body. Bend your left knee. 4. 5. Twist the chest up facing up. Turn the chest to the left side. 8. 9. Exhale, half split. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, hands up. Your heel or toes. 3, 4. As your flexibility. Left hand carries up. 4, 5, 10. Exhale, half split. Go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward facing down. Keep rolling the shoulder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop the knee. Knee and hip is one line. Don't move the knee. And don't elbow straight all the way. Inhale. Hey, puppy pose. Puppy. So hip. 3, 5, 9. Keep the palm, elbow strong, palm strong. Don't bend your elbow. Inhale, don't move the palm. Inhale, chin up, chest up. Exhale down, keep rolling up and down. Allow the brain to soften your neck muscles. Extend your neck. Allow the brain to soften your upper back and mid back. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, keep doing, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, Last one. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down the stadium. 1. Push your hip up to the ceiling. 2. 3. 4. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 18. 19. 20. Go to child pose. Okay, everyone, take a step. Take a step. Take a step. All the way front. Exhale, bring back, all the way back. Together, don't go first. Exhale front, together. Exhale front. Exhale back. Exhale front, don't bend the knees. Elbow must be back. Exhale back. Exhale front. Be close. Go closer a bit. Get closer a bit. Get closer a bit. Okay, exhale front. Exhale back. Exhale front. Exhale back. Exhale front. Exhale back, 3 more. Exhale front. Exhale back. Exhale front. Exhale back. Exhale front. Drop that front. Stretch your shoulder. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. Stand up. And keep exhaling to touch the body to the wall. If feel is easier, you can move the legs a bit back and move the feet palm over the wall. Keep exhaling. Head up. Right down the front. 1. Exhale. 1. Keep it. 2. 3. Keep it. Don't stop. 4. Don't stop. 5. Keep going. Up, back, right, back. 5. Bring the 5. Not back. 6. Good. 7. Keep exhaling. Don't bend elbow. 7. Lock the elbow. 8. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. Hands up. Forehead close. 2. 20. Stay as a body. 3. 4. 20. Not down head. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Come back. Now stretch your shoulder to relax. Stretch your shoulder. Stretch your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lock elbow, push out. 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Bring back. You can go closer. If you feel you're too hard, a bit closer, a bit more close. Then bring the chest toward the wall. Inhale up, don't lean all the way forward. You want to keep exhaling. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep rolling, don't stop. 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look to the ceiling. 5, 6. Open shoulder, chest, upper back. Come back. Stretch your shoulder. Stretch your shoulder to relax. 1, 8, 9. Squeeze your hands. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. This time turn around. So you have to go to walk. How much can you go? If you can't go all the way down, don't need to go all the way down. You can go how much? Just go down and then come back. If you can't test the road, just on the walk and then come back. What is this? one child pose and stay there for 30 seconds. Stay. Extended child pose, open is wider and drop the chest. Come up. Stretch your shoulder. Stretch your shoulder. Switch your hands. Interlock your hand back. Lift your chest up. Stretch your hands back. Just breathe out.